Where do law enforcement and horses patrol? And are they always paying attention? Thank you for watching this YouTube channel about U.S. mounted units. Here are some places you may have seen them, or not. Law enforcement on horseback are very approachable. They're either standing in place or walking slowly. Well, unless they're chasing a suspect and you don't want to be that person. They're always policing, even if they don't look like they are. You may see horses downtown during the work week in the business district. They are watching everything to keep you safe. In bar areas at nighttime to promote good behavior, or called into a hot spot of crime where fights break out during the drunk hour, all to keep citizens safe. Oh, and a quick note, you may not see them, but they see you. Since the horses are such an asset in so many terrains, mounted units can easily access and patrol at the lake, on the beach, on running biking trails. Same reasons. Make sure citizens are safe, deter bad behavior, and help anyone who gets injured or needs help. Interesting, huh? I had no idea they policed in so many places until I actually noticed them. Let me know in the comments if you've seen our American law enforcement on horseback. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video.